And we are prepared in terms of prepositioning food and non-food supplies to the nearest points possible. We want to disperse before the rains the rains come. All food and non-food relief supplies need to be prepositioned at the regions, at the counties ahead of time. And I must thank the CS for the National Treasury and his team. They have been very supportive because we don't want to be caught unawares in the situation that is ahead of us. The other preparedness issues around unclogging drainages and infrastructure, we've a program running in Nairobi already, and we want also to discuss. I think I'll be calling another meeting in the course of the week or early next week with other 18 or so counties which have been identified as possible places where El-Nino might have adverse effects on the people, including Mombasa, and so that we can have a full view of things